guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys three different DIY room decors. So let's get started with today's video. For the first DIY I'm going to use this glass bottle, but if you don't have a similar one you can use any empty sauce bottle or any jar. Then I'm going to use this thin cardboard piece. You can cut this from any old notebook. The length of the cardboard depends on the dimension of the bottle. Then I'm going to cover the cardboard piece with this black colored paper, and here I am using a double-sided tape to stick it, but you can use any white glue. After that, I just sticked a small piece of double-sided tape on one end. Then to stick the cardboard piece on the bottle, I am using a double-sided tape, but I suggest you to use a hot glue or any strong glue. Also, if you end up trying any of my DIY, then please don't forget to send me a picture of it on my Instagram. I will be really happy to see your recreations. After you stick the cardboard piece, you just have to put the lights in the bottle. For that, here I am using this battery operated fairy lights, but if you don't have this, you can use any normal lights. Just have to put the lights randomly in the bottle.
I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you
For the second DIY, here I am using this empty acrylic color bottles. And then I am using this embroidery thread and I am going to just tie the thread around the bottle. And similarly, I am going to tie more bottles, keeping some distance between them. After tying all the bottles, I am going to add some shells in them. You can also use some pearls or beads. After that, I'm going to add some fake flowers and pollens.
Me one more sign. I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Now moving to the last and the simplest DIY of this video. I am using this glass bowl and I'm going to add some fake flowers in it. You can also replace the fake flowers with real flowers. And after adding, I am going to flip the bowl. And after that, here I am using this candle, and just to decorate this I am using this glitter washi tape, and I am going to wrap the candle with this. And that's it guys, just look how pretty this looks. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button, and also to subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful videos.